Welcome back once again to your online classes. Student, today I will teach class 4th science. Student, we have already completed chapter 1. All the topics of the chapter 1, class 4, subject science. Okay, topic EXER, exercise of chapter 1st. Name is growing plants. Okay, student. Today is 14th July 2020. Student, in your previous class, we have already discussed about all the topics of your book, and I hope you have all the read and learn all the topics about seed, structure of seed, germination stages, and what is the dispersal of the seeds, and what is the agents of the dispersal of seeds, and what is the vegetative propagation of the plants. Okay, what is the methods by which new plants grow without the seeds? And student, keep open your exercise of chapter 1. Okay, so open your chapter 1 exercise. I will explain all the exercise on the board, and all question answer I will give it in our WhatsApp group. Okay, so some question will explain by on your online classes. Okay, student, exercise, match the following columns. MATC, match the following. COLU column. Okay, student. Question. This is the question, and this is the answer. Answer first. Calcium in column A, in column B, match it. What is the answer of first? Calcium is very useful for the strong bones. First C. Second, ghee, the source of fat. 3. Dehydration. Dehydration means this is a method by which water removes from the food for preserved for long time. So the correct answer of dehydration 3 is for food preservation, D. 4. Dietary fibers. Dietary fibers are very essential for removing the waste products from our body. So answer A, remove constipation. A. And last, fifth, overcooked food. Student, overcooked food, deep fried food make the food destroy, and means the destroy their nutritional value of the food. So overcooked food, the main answer is less food value, B. Okay. So first of all, you will write the all question are the made the following. Okay, see question, page number 15. Write down first the column A and column B in question, then write down the answer. In question, you will write down this form and write down the answer in this form. Don't match from the side to side, means don't match it. This type, column A and B. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, D, E. These types don't do the answer to this type. Okay, this is the wrong method. This is the make the confusion. Okay, write answer in this way. You will write this way in your examination period also. Okay, student. So write down the all the answer of match the following columns. Match the following columns. Now, student, second is fill in the blanks. Write down. And student, please, you can write down the answer in your book also, textbook also, with the help of the pencil. And keep the pencil and eraser with you and write down the answer with pencil. Okay, write down the answer in here. Answer A, B, C, D. What is the main answer? Okay, 1C, 2E, 3D, 4A and 5B. And second is match the following. Second is fill in the blanks. Student, write down in your homework copy. When you completed all the answer in your textbook, it is necessary to write down answer in your homework copy, not in your classwork copy, fair copy. In fair copy, you will write only the give two examples of each of the following. Question number 4 and give short answer question number 5 and answer the following question. Long question and differentiate between the following. Okay, I will give the all answer after completing the online classes. Okay, I will give in this answer through the WhatsApp. So, second, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First, help us to grow. What helps? Student, food. Food. Food helps us to grow. Us to grow. Okay. Second, fill in the blanks and dash are carbohydrate rich food item. Okay, student, you know the what is the main sources of the carbohydrate? Student, cereals and sugars. cereals, cereals. Okay, cereals and sugar. Cereals and sugar are carbohydrate rich food. This is already written in your textbook, but when you write down in the homework copy, you will write the complete sentences. Okay, and and a and write down the complete sentences in your homework copy. Third, student, third is dash and dash are protective food. Student, you know there are some protective food. What is the vitamins and minerals? VITA, vitamins, and MINERALS. Vitamins and minerals are the protective food. 5, 4. Fourth question is, not only make the food soft and tasty, but it is also make it free. What free? Dash. First dash, you will free the cooking. First dash, and the second dash, germ free. Germs free. Write down all the sentences before and after the filling the blanks. Okay, student? Write down. First off, complete this answer in your textbook. Okay? Don't waste the time to write the complete sentences in your homework copy. After completing the online classes, all of you write down the all answer in your homework copy, except question answer. And student, the next question is, vegetables before cutting preserve their nutritive values. Dash. First dash, vegetable before cutting preserve the nutritive values. Okay? So the answer is wash. Washing is very necessary before the peeling or cutting of the vegetables or fruits, because after the peeling and cutting of the fruits, wash and away the nutritional food values which are present in the foodstuffs. So before cutting or peeling the fruits or vegetables, first wash. So write the wash vegetable before cutting, preserving their nutritive values. Okay? So write down in question second, point number 5, wash. Now your third, pick the correct statement and cross the wrong. Tick. And write down full sentences in your homework copy, but read with me. Question number 3, tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. So question 1, point 1, fish and pulses are rich in protein. Student, fish and pulses are rich in protein. It is true or false? Student, this is true. This is true. Okay? So first answer, write down, means fish and pulses. Fish and pulses. Fish and pulses are rich in protein. Tick. Second, raw vegetables and fruits are rich sources of refuge. Student, I have already taught you that the raw vegetables are the good sources of the dietary fibers. So, raw vegetables and fruit are the rich sources of refuge. It is also true. Okay. Write the complete sentence, then tick this against each statement or cross. Okay, whatever the requirement according to the question. Protein promotes growth. It is also true because protein are also called the bodybuilding food, bodybuilding nutrients, because it repairs the damaged cells and tissues and also required for the growth and development of the body. Student, next point. Next point is question 4. Water is used by the body for digestion. Okay. You know, student, there is no food value of water. There is no food value of water, but it is very essential element for the digestion and transportation of nutrients in the body. So, water is also useful elements for the digestion of the proper digestion of the food. So, it is also true. And fifth, use of too much spices increase the food value. No. Too much of spices, eating too much of spices daily, it is causes the various diseases. Okay. So, eating use of too much spices increase the food value. No. Wrong. This is wrong. Okay. So, the tick and cross, please fill up this answer in your textbook. Now, student, the fourth question. This is the number of third, tick and cross. And now fourth. What is given? Question number 4. Ask, give 2 examples of each of the following. Give 2 examples each of the following. Okay, student. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Number 1, energy giving food. First, energy giving food. Which types of food provide energy to our body, student? Rice and potato. Rice, potato. Second, Protective food, student, fruits and vegetables. Where it is found? It is found in fruits and vegetables. So include this item in your daily diet. Okay. Third, roughage. Third, what is the main example of roughage? That is a cucumber and cabbage. CABBAG. Cucumber and carrot, cabbage. And fourth, minerals. Where is it found minerals? Minerals are found in the leafy vegetables. Okay, student? And minerals, LEA, leafy vegetables. And the next example, leafy vegetables and you can write down the fruits. Fruits also. 5. Protein rich food item. Protein rich food item. The main source of protein is pulses and milk, because they are the bodybuilding food. They provide the proper growth and nourishment to our body. And last, water containing fruits. Water containing fruits. Watermelon and muskmelon. Watermelon and muskmelon. 6. Watermelon, muskmelon. There are some other examples which contain in water, that is cucumber and pumpkin. So many examples which contain more water inside them. So watermelon and muskmelon are the two examples of the water containing fruits. Okay, student? So fill the R answer in the textbook. After completing this, you will also write down question answer in homework copy for practices. I will check this when we ask to you to submit your copy. Okay, I have given date to your guardians, parents. Okay, write down today's homework. Homework. First, do complete all EXER exercise number first, second, third, fourth. First, second, third and fourth in homework copy. Also you can write down in rough copy, but you will make a separate rough copy for only science, for preparation, for revision purpose in the classroom or at your home also. So write down complete all exercise number first, second, third and fourth of chapter first. Okay student, and I will give in the other question answer of give short answer. And question number 5, there are 1 2 3 6 questions, and in question number 6 there are 5 questions, and differentiate between the following I will give you in written through the WhatsApp. Okay student, I hope you will learn this. Okay, thank you, have a good day. Okay student.